we'll go ahead and start with the 2-point rotation, and we'll do that on this front one right here. My lock tool of choice is just these simple plastic threading needles that I get off of Amazon. You can get them in Walmart and other stores like that, but these just, for me, for my hair, work the best. They're the easiest to work with and the ones that I like the most above the metal ones. All right, for the 2-point rotation, all right, so we're gonna go east to west, and we're pulling down all the way to the bottom of the new growth. All right, and we'll pull through. All right, and then we'll go north to south, and we'll pull through. And that's your entire 2-point rotation. Very simple. Again, east to west, north to south. And now if you're wondering, can I go west to east and then north to south? Absolutely. You can, whichever direction you want to go, you just want to go in the same direction each time for it to be a 2-point rotation. But you could go east to west or west to east. The reason that I always end with north to south, as I would with any of these rotations, is because I want the direction of the lock to be going downward when I'm done with the rotation. All right, and as you see, as you get closer to the scalp, it does tighten up. All right. East to west. And north to south. And if this was an actual person, I wouldn't be going this close to their scalp and pulling through this much, but for the purposes of this video, we can. All right. So we've got our 2-point rotation done. Okay, now we will move on to our 3-point rotation. With our same method here, we're going to start out threading our needle. And with our 3-point rotation, it's just that we're going to go in through 3 entry points. I'm going to go east to west, pull down to the bottom just like before, and then I pull all the way through. And then I'm going to do north to south, pull down to the bottom of the new growth, pull through. All right, for my 3rd point of entry, I'm going to go east to west, west to east. And pull all the way through, and then north to south again. All right, so those are 3 points of entry, which is why it's called the 3-point rotation. So we've got east to west, north to south, west to east, north to south, and so we repeat that. So we have east to west, pulling down to the bottom of our rotation, pull it through. That was our east to west. Now I'm going north to south, and I pull down to the bottom and pull through. Then for my 3rd point of entry, I'm going to go west to east. And I pull down to the bottom and pull through. And then I'm going north to south again. Right? East to west. North to south. And on that one, I'm not going to be able to get in the 3rd rotation because we're already tight on the scalp. All right. So we've got our 2-point here, We've got our 3-point here.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can join the flock. And also hit the like button so that I know what type of content that you're enjoying. Before you go anywhere, check out some of the other videos that have popped up on the screen. I'll see you there.